Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to apply for a SoFi personal loan. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the SoFi application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to SoFi if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the bottom tab, we have the Discover, Watch List, the Account, we have the Invest, of course we have the Orders, and here in the last tab, as you can see, we have the Social. So guys, now let's see how you can actually go and apply for a SoFi personal loan. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these steps to know how to do it in just no time. So applying for a SoFi personal loan is really straightforward, and here are the steps. So visit the SoFi website or use the mobile application where we are at the moment to check your pre-qualifications. This step will give you an idea of the APR you might qualify for without affecting your credit score. Once pre-qualified, you can process to fill out the online application. You'll need to provide personal and financial information. After submitting your application, SoFi will review it. This process typically takes about 1 to 2 business days. If approved, you'll need to sign the loan agreement. This can be done electronically. Then you need to receive funds, and of course then you can go and make payments. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.